Hello, guys. This is Social Trades once more. So this is like the monthly time frame for the US dollar, right? US dollar index. So we see this fair value gap here. If I move this like really here, we see this fair value gap here. If I put it like that, properly, like that, this one was used here. Let me zoom in. But there's only buy side, never sell side here in form of a body, right? So while we're coming like this down there, let me do this. While we're coming in from the top, coming in like that, we're looking for this as a draw, right? That as a draw. But before this fair value gap, you had this suspension block here. As you can see, this is a candlestick that's suspended like in the air, right? Literally. So even here, no bodies at all, meaning this level is being respected here. And since there are no bodies here below this level, sell side here is kept, right? So if this thing wants to go higher, like wants to go, let's say it wants to from here make a new high, e.g. It's an e.g. If it wants to make a new high, it can't leave these people here. They must get out, right? They're like a load. So what's more likely to happen here? Me being me, I measured the high from there, low there. There's 50% is here. So what am I anticipating? That the market goes up above 50%, probably hits here and gives me the sell side, right? And this 3 month fair value gap, this one, which is an inversion now, if I go to the three, 3 month, 3 months time frame there, you see the secret. You see, this is the fair value gap we're looking at here. Uh, yes, basically this is the fair value gap here. So we already entered into it last month here. Then we failed to go lower. So now we're going up, right? So how far can this go? It can go as far as outside of it here and into there, right? That's what I'm anticipating. But basically, we're gonna see it fail here, above 50% there, right? This is a 3 month time frame. Let's go back to the monthly. On the monthly, we're looking to for this to go up. Here's 50% there. Okay, let me put this one in the back. Uh, go. I'm gonna put this one in the back. Visual order. Okay, bring back, ne? Send backward. Right. Yes, you see now this one is there. So I know going up above here, we can see ourselves above here, right? So let's go in the weekly.
For both the Rockets as well as in Birmingham. And let me bring Coach Tabacidon into the conversation. They speak about the Orlando Pirates. You look at them at the moment, sitting number second, 48 points of the 21 games played. But this is a game that a coach at this level Wadi.
Hey, didn't expect that to happen like this. Okay. What's going on? Okay, we're in. So that's the monthly 3 month fair value gap inversion in this case. Hit it there, go lower. So this must be part of time distortion, I'm thinking, right? So we are watching it closely. Does it push higher? Above 50% here?
It is how they move and complement one another, finding the right path.
Does it go above 50%? into these areas here, give us a nice sell in order to come and take these guys out here. Yes. So the anticipation is that basically that it goes up only to fall, right? That's the anticipation. So for next week, looking at the charts, zooming in now, we're in here. So what is this? This one this candle, what does it do? Immediate rebalance here, go and goes up, right? That's good. That's good. So what are we expecting? That this move explodes to the upside, basically, because of we have an immediate rebalance here. If you put it like this and put this there, this is your immediate rebalance there. I'm gonna say I am. So immediate rebalance. So it went up. The next it must explode, guys. So this one did not explode. The very next candle here, we should see it explode. Like literally. This one went higher, but that's not enough. The next one should go up too. It didn't. So the very next one should explode. If it does not, that's a complex reversal. If it does not, that's a complex reversal. So here, I was marking this candlestick here as a bullish breaker. I wanted to see sensitivity here. So we couldn't get outside of it like that, and we're still within this range here. So I like to see the market remaining here and go higher. Okay, right. Let me do this and send this one to the front. Let's send you to the front, send you to the front, moving forward. Yes. This one's okay. So basically, I'm marking this. Some of you are looking at this as a bullish breaker. That's no problem. So that's sensitivity here. So basically, uh, also 1, 2, 3, 4 times going lower, this requires a big retracement, right? Even if the market wants to go down, after doing this like this, it should give us a big retracement in here, a big one in there. It should give us something like that. And also here, if you look closely, let me zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, here there's a somebody here, so that's nice. And then for volume imbalance there. Okay. So most likely this is what I'm looking for, basically. Right? That's what we're looking for initially. Then we'll see here if what's gonna go on here. But initially, that's what we have. I see this going up next week. I'm bullish on dollar next week. See this thing going up, immediate rebalance. The next candles next week should be a big candlestick to the upside. Next week should be a big one to the upside. If it's not a big one to the upside, you're probably gonna keep going lower. Did you just hear that? I'm going the day, on the day, on the day, I'm going daily. I'm gonna go on a daily. So on a daily. So on the daily, that weekly range is like that. Like you can see on the daily, start somewhere from there to there. So we just want to see sensitivity even on top of this candlestick here. It's a bullish breaker here. Stretch it out. If we stretch this out here, let's mark it here on the daily too. This one. There we go. There we go. There we go. And that's gonna be like a little nice blue. See that? That's a bullish breaker from there. There we go.
the league this season. They only lost one game away from winning.
And in here you have like, let me send this one back.
You look at what he's coming off the bench. A lot of questions coming around. Are we going to see him in the start?
So we have like this bullish breaker there. So basically, smart money reversal, low risk entry, first stage accumulation, second stage accumulation. And here's gonna give you something nice here. Another chance to enter. So we're gonna watch this level there. Stay intact. Right. Currently, we like to see this level stay intact and this go higher.
From the 12th of August 2025, that was the
Here we have a volume imbalance and a value gap. So it's one range from there to there. So according to me, if this is smart money reversal, low risk entry, first stage accumulation, and second stage accumulation here, then this thing should just keep going higher and should not take out this until we reach our target. Because this one should be big, should be the unicorn. Right? Let me just say slash unicorn run. Unicorn run. So this one should just keep going up there. If they give up this level here, we might end up going lower. But personally, I'd like to see it stay in here and go up. Go up until we reach these levels here. But we'll be watching this one 3 months closely because we're only going up here to go to its high. And outside of its high, it's this monthly fair value gap inversion, bearish inversion, and even this one, which is from a weekly time frame. So this is nice here. Triple the high of this fair value gap from the monthly, and this one from the weekly. All of this is nice. So we just want waiting for price to go higher here, and then just smash. This can be like quick. It can be very quick and then get dead. So let's watch. Should it give up this level here? Our unicorn run level? Then we know. We know it's bye-bye. Because, well, everything here seems to have been used nicely. Nicely. Looking at this candlestick here and this one. So it's a fair value gap here, there to there. So it's high, it's there. Also, any return into this should give us a bullish move into this. But they must have used this one here and there. Let's check it out. Okay, there's a small one there probably. But in any case, just I like to see this thing go higher here. Where are those arrows? Arrow. I like to see.
Now, so we see two different teams already being knocked out yesterday. The likes of Firmament FC as well as our Acme of Egypt. So
I like to see upside here.
this one, great friend. It's Coach Tabo saying, no, you can call him Ace and you can call him Drought alongside him.
Upside here.
Galaxy, we talk about
This is social trades.
we slightly on a junior Zindonga. We look at